Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I'm going to do a quick little poll question today. So, had taken off 2 weeks for just trying to get some stuff done, but did an experiment last week on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And I did some live streaming, and I just called them, and it was kind of a do-over because I know we have had a lot of new people starting, joining the channel, subscribing, and it's getting summertime and getting ready for fall, and a lot of new people interested in programming and specifically Python. So I did an experiment and started doing some live streams because I didn't want to start new videos, but and do over and try to figure that out. So I am kind of needing some feedback. Is there enough interest in, because I'm going to continue doing posting the regular videos in the once a day, Monday through Friday, but also really considering, because it's not too much extra work, to do a live stream earlier in the day. And so just kind of drop a comment down below, hit that like button, to kind of give me some feedback. Have had more success than I was really expecting. So there seems to be a need, a like, but I really want, like I've said before, this is your channel. I want to give you guys what you need, because I want you to learn from the mistakes and really try to avoid some of the pain that I had. So I want this to all be in one place. So I don't want to take up alerts and things if you're just not that interested in it. But if you're new here, thanks for joining us. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. And please share this with anybody who's interested in learning Python, because I want this to be the one place you come find all the videos that you want. And if there's any videos that you haven't seen yet that you are wanting made, go ahead and drop that down in the comments too. But as always, guys, real quick today, just kind of getting back in the groove. But we'll be doing 5 videos a week, picking back up, and we'll go from there. And just let me know about the live streams. All right, guys. Thanks as always, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.